Do you know there is something in common with charging a phone, driving a car, enjoying a meal, and disposing of waste? They all have a carbon footprint, which is a measure of greenhouse gas emissions. Let's further explore it. Turning off the lights while exiting the room cumulatively could save tons of carbon emissions from reaching the atmosphere. The cumulative effect of reducing unwanted energy consumption could decide if a polar bear gets to keep his home or the chance of you having a beach house for yourself due to the rising sea levels. And there are two types of carbon footprinting. Carbon footprint can be represented as a collective journey. Let's quickly look at the journey of a disposed phone in a landfill in reverse. Our phone's journey starts with extraction of metals, followed by production and assembly at a facility, then packaged to be shipped to a user somewhere away. After use, phone is discarded into a waste bin and transported by a truck, likely to be disposed of in a landfill. Now you see, each phase of the phone's life cycle adds to the carbon footprint. The combined footprint of all these activities fall under the category called the product carbon footprint. The second type of carbon footprint is at an organizational level, which is spread across its value chain, starting from the emissions due to utilities consumption, moving on to the emissions due to vehicle use and logistics, production processes, and waste generation. All of it contributes to the second type of carbon footprint called the organizational carbon footprint. But why measure carbon footprints anyway? Measuring carbon footprint can help businesses identify areas for reducing energy wastage, thereby increasing cost savings and profits. Secondly, it is a key tool to improve sustainability and build credibility, enhancing brand image. This can attract talents to work for the brand. Measuring the carbon footprint can help businesses monitor their contribution to the climate change crisis, supporting them in turning green. As a cleaner brand, it could bring in more investors and open doors to the global market, accelerating the business growth. For businesses that wish to grow sustainably by increasing profits, building a better brand image, staying competitive, and being future ready, Carbon Mandal offers a service to measure your carbon footprint. Connect with us at Carbon Mandal. With a focus on people, profit, and planet, we hold the expertise and passion to measure your carbon footprint. Check out our offerings on our website www.carbonmandal.com. We believe in growing together consciously and sustainably for a future that is human-centric. Infinite ambitions, finite planet, sustainable solutions. We help you future-proof your business by providing sustainable solutions today.